Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm on Fremont Street for a video of one of the brand new renovated rooms at the Plaza. They've renovated 3 floors at 28 rooms a floor in the North Tower. So that's 84 rooms in total, and they only opened actually this month in August 2019. The new Luxe rooms at the Plaza. So I'm booked into one, so I'll be very interested to see what they're like. I mean, they've only been live for a matter of a couple of weeks, so they should be brand spanking new. So let's take a look. So the North Tower at the Plaza is basically right next to reception as you walk in through the entrance. So check-in is there. North Tower elevators are here. So here we go. See you on the 19th floor. So you can tell these, all of the walkways, etc. have been redone. Brand new carpet. So it all looks very, very smart. I'm in 1923, which is just down here. These are all non-smoking rooms. There we go. Let's take a look inside. Okay, here we are. So it all smells incredibly new. And in fact, when you come in, I mean, obviously brand new carpets, even the flooring is new here, you can see. So over here, you actually have an Alexa look to help you during your trip. How you doing, Alexa?
Sorry, I don't know that.
I really don't see the point of those things. Anyway, nice picture by the Plaza pool by the looks of it. Nice seating area. Nice big mirror. Decent Samsung TV. I guess this is the fridge in here. Oh, actually you get a couple of bottles of water as well for your stay. So drawer space. And your hanging space with iron and ironing board. And then over this way, sort of workstation area. I like the colour scheme. And actually even the air conditioning unit is brand new. So they really have gutted these rooms. And then finally here, the bathroom. It safes on the wall there. And a walk-in shower. Actually, this is a pretty small glass partition, but you do have the curtain as well. Otherwise that is going to flood quite easily. Yeah, these rooms used to have these really horrible sort of tub and shower combination efforts, and yeah, that's 10 times better. I guess the only negative with this is that, oh, actually no, sorry, you do have privacy. I'll take that back. And then finally the view. So this one is of Main Street and California on your right. And a lovely view of the mountains there in the background. I always like looking over casinos with the mountains as well. Something we don't get back in the UK, obviously. So I got this on a comp for my players card. 3 free nights. I'm very impressed with this room. It smells and looks absolutely brand spanking new. So if you fancy staying at the Plaza over the coming months, I would absolutely recommend one of these brand new Luxe rooms. Very, very impressive. Speak to you soon.